Hey guys, Sean here. It is Monday, the 21st of October. I'm doing a little shave tonight. I've got this Roberson Cutlery Wedge straight razor that I honed up in my last video. I'm going to be trying it out, and then I'm actually going to be testing another razor. I got my hands on another Geneva razor. I went to open the razor and the scales literally disintegrated on me, so I repinned it actually this afternoon, or rescaled it this afternoon with these plastic scales. They're not exactly perfect, but it's good enough for me, considering I spent, I don't know, I think $30 worth of scales on the blade. So, not bad. I honed this up actually today after work on JNat Coticule, I guess, progression. I started on my Autogama JNat and then went over to my Los Latinus Coticule that I finished on. The soap for the evening is going to be Cajun Blade, Vache, the cow. Absolutely fantastic stuff. Suggest anyone that hasn't tried Eric's soap, head over to his eBay store and go pick you up some soap. It's great. Brush I'm going to be using tonight is my Yaki 24mm Badger brush. Love this little guy, or not little. Love this brush. It's quite fantastic. Pre-shave I'm using for tonight is Dawn of Glory. Good stuff. Gonna go ahead and wet my face. I think I have, yeah, 1 day's worth of growth. No, not even. I'm really interested to see if the edge I just put back on this Roberson straight razor is better than the one that it showed up with, because it was one heck of an edge that it came with. But we shall see. Oh, I really dislike shaving in glasses, but I just haven't been bothered to put contacts in. All right. Let's see how we do. Wish this razor had gems on the bottom. Yeah, I would say that's... I think that's about as good as it was. It could be... I think the edge was a little bit keener than this. Alright, I want to see what this Geneva Cutlery blade is like. Yeah, that's nice. Someone said if you can find old vintage American steel, go for it. And yeah. Wow. So the Coticule edge on the new, or the new Coticule on this Geneva Cutlery blade, I would say it beats the J-Nat on the Roberson Co. Wedge. But to be fair, I messed up. I don't think I spent enough time. I didn't use any slurry. I think that's where I messed up. I should have went back, or I should have started with slurry, slowly diluted that, and then moved on to my Nakayama. Yeah, I think that was the play. Wow. Yeah, shout out to the Cajun Blade, Eric and Sean Staplefield for the tips. Man, that's that's a nice edge. That's combination of, well, it's the steel. I know it's the steel, obviously. But well, I'm not gonna say there's no technique involved. Obviously, there is technique, especially with well, I will definitely say with cauticles, because at least with a flat cauticle, convexed. Well, I guess I was never finishing, so I guess I was using a cauticle, or using a cauticle to thin the bevel down, but I wasn't finishing with that. I was either going to a J-Nat or Arkansas stone. So never really tried finishing on a cauticle now that I think about it. Just because I didn't have good experiences trying, or I didn't have good edges finishing with a cauticle. Cauticle to me was always like a pre-finisher. Like, I never got that. This edge is keen to where it needs to be. I've just noticed over the years, well, at least switching to like just DE razor blade shaving like 10 years ago, my hair's just gotten more coarse like as the years go by, and having a properly honed straight razor really does make the night and day difference. All right, against the grain, here we go. Fantastic edge. Carried away for a second. It's like the camera's not over there, it's over here. That just feels weird. My fingers are a little wet. So on this one, the other blade, the Roberson Co. has the jimps on the top. This one's got the jimps on the bottom. I love it when they've got the jimps on the top and the bottom. It makes it, well, keeps the fingers from wanting to slide. I always have this horrible feeling that I'm just going to slice the ever-living heck out of my fingers. Let's see, what aftershave do I want to use tonight? I guess this isn't exactly aftershaves. I don't really quite understand what the purpose of toner is exactly. I've used it, I've had this bottle for like, God, I don't know how many years. And as you can see, it's practically full. I've only used it less than 10 times. Maybe, I don't know if you use it before or after before or after the aftershave. We'll try it before. I don't know if it goes on before or not. Yeah, it smells okay. And aftershave, gonna be using the Nivea Men Sensitive Cool. Absolutely great shave. Fantastic. Definitely need to go back to the stones on the Roberson Co. blade. But that's it for tonight, guys. Hope everyone has a fantastic week, and I'll see you guys later.